Hey guys, this is Neil here from InDepth Tech. It's been a long time since I've uploaded a video, but I have a really amazing thing which I am about to show you today. So let's get started. So guys, today we are going to talk about the motion sensor and specifically when there is no motion detected. So guys, I've already made a video for the no motion detected automations in which we saw that there are two kinds of no motion detected automations. So the first one is if there is a motion detected and then there is no motion detected, then you can trigger a automation or the Alexa routine. And the second type is at a particular time, if there is no motion detected, then it should trigger a automation or the Alexa routine. But as we saw in that video, that we could not trigger the Alexa routines for the no motion detected at a particular time. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how you can trigger Alexa routines when there is no motion detected at a particular time. So guys, in order to trigger such kind of a routine, you would need a Sonoff switch or a Sonoff channel like the Sonoff basic or the Sonoff 3-way channel or the 4-way channel or a Sonoff R3 or a POW series. So in simple words, you basically need a device which should switch on and off. And also it's really important that the partnered application for that device should be the EV-Link app. So in this case, the partnered application for all the Sonoff products is the EV-Link app. And also the automation which I'm about to show you, it's impossible to trigger the automations without a switch. So guys, I would recommend here that you get a Sonoff basic, which is the cheapest from the Sonoff family, and also it supports the EV-Link app. And the best part is the automations are not limited to just the motion sensor. You can also trigger the routines for the other sensors like the door and the window sensor, the temperature sensor, and also the smart switch just by using a Sonoff channel. So guys, now just go ahead and open accounts.smartthings.com. So guys, as you all know that I have already made a video in which I have shown you how you need to create a device handler. So now we need to create a new device. So just click on my device, click on new device. So guys, just go ahead and name the device as main controller 2, main controller, device network dash dash dash, type stimulated Alexa switch, which is our device handler, location my home, create. So guys, here I don't have a Samsung SmartThings hub. This is purely based on the Samsung SmartThings application. So we need to create one more device. Click on my device, new device, name no motion detected, network ID dash dash dash, type stimulated Alexa switch, location my home, create. So guys, the devices have been created and I don't recommend you to change the name of the device because I'm going to make a series in which we are also going to create automations for the smart button, the Sonoff temperature and the humidity sensor, and also the door or the window sensor. So all of these automations will be linked to each other. So just don't change the name right now. Once you create all the automations, then just go ahead and change the name if you want. So guys, now just go ahead and open the EV-Link app. Click on scenes. Click on the plus icon. So guys, as I told you that we are going to create a no motion detected automation at a particular time. So click on time of day. So right now it's 9:45. So I'll just give a time at around 10 o'clock. Save. Click on the plus icon again, smart devices, no motion sensor, no motion detected, save. Then click on the plus icon, smart device. So guys, here I'm going to use my Sonoff 3-way channel and I'm going to use the first channel. So the Neil bedroom light, tube light is the first channel, switch on, save. Click on the plus icon again, delay 3 seconds, save. Click on the plus icon again, smart device, use bedroom light, tube light, switch off, save. Test 2 nm, save. So guys, as you can see, the light is switched on. So click on the automation again, and as you can see, it says any condition is met. So here you need to select all conditions are met. So at that particular time the light will switch on and switch off after 3 seconds. Click on save. So now we need to go ahead and open the Samsung SmartThings app. Devices. So as you can see, our main controller 2 and no motion detected has been synced. So these basically act as a contact sensor. So if the contact is closed, that means it is off, and if the contact is open, then it means it is on. So click on the automation, click on the plus icon, add automation. If device status, so we are going to use my tube light. Select the tube light, yes, on. So now you need to select stays this status for how long. Customize, I would say 2 seconds. Done. Then control device, no motion detected. Next, switch on, auto turn off after 10 seconds. Done. Save. So in this automation, if my bedroom tube light is on for 2 seconds, then the no motion detected would switch on, and after 10 seconds it would switch off automatically. Now click on the plus icon again, add automations. If, so we need to select a time here, so we'll select 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. specific time. Done. Then control device, my main controller 2 should turn on. Save. Done. Also guys, in the previous automation which we created, when the tube light is on for 2 seconds, click on if the plus icon again, device status, controller 2 should also switch on, and select when all conditions below are met. Save. So guys, now just go ahead and open the Alexa app. More, routines, click on the plus icon. When this happens, smart home. So guys, as you can see, no motion detected has been synced with the Alexa routines. So you have to select open, which means on. Next, add actions. So we'll just say customize, no motion detected. Next, choose device, News Echo Show. Save. So guys, as you can see, it's 9:52 right now, so I'll just go ahead and close the motion sensor. So guys, according to this automation, exactly at 10 p.m. the tube light would switch on and switch off after 3 seconds, and also the main controller would switch on in the Samsung SmartThings application. So let's just open the Samsung SmartThings app. Devices. So as you can see, the main controller and also no motion detected is off right now. So let's wait for 10 p.m. and let's see if this automation works. So guys, here I don't recommend you to use the Sonoff channel or a switch which you already have and you have connected it to your light or any other devices. I would recommend you to get a new Sonoff Basic and just use it for the automation purpose, because there are so many automations which we cannot trigger using the Alexa and also the Samsung SmartThings. We can only trigger these kinds of automation using a Sonoff channel or a switch. So guys, as you can see, it's 9:59 right now. So let's wait for 10 o'clock and let's see if this automation works. 10 o'clock, the light is on. The light is switched off. Main controller is switched on. No motion detected is on.
No motion detected.
So guys, as you saw, we could trigger the Alexa routine at a particular time when there is no motion detected. So guys, follow the same steps which I show you, and also keep the seconds, the delay seconds same, because the whole series of all the automations which I show you for the other sensors will be linked to each other. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. I'll be making more home automation videos just like this. So don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new, please subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.